blocked filter generally occurs when paint sludge has not settled to a point below the water outlet line. Therefore, when the line is open, a quantity of sludge will get caught in and eventually block the filter. A blocked filter will also occur during the standard use of the Envirowash unit over time, as the filter is designed to catch any particles in the clear water. To correct this, 1. Ensure the water outlet valve is in the off position. 2. Place a suitable receptacle under the filter housing to collect any water which may spill. 3. Unscrew the filter housing and remove the filter insert. 4. Unscrew and remove the plastic frame and wash the nylon filter. 5. Put the filter back together and insert it back into the filter housing. 6. Open the water outlet valve and water should now flow through freely. Should this not occur, repeat the cleaning process of the filter insert. If a second cleaning does not correct the problem, this is a good indication that now is the time to replace the filter insert.